Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to edit slide on the project that you save. So here the thing that you need to do, open your Google Slide application on your phone, and whenever you open the Google Slide application you just need to find the documents that you want to edit. So for example, you already do create these documents, but you are saving it and you will need to continue this again. So to edit the slide, you just need to choose the specific slide that you want to edit. So for example, like do with this slide, and then you just need to go click the specific slide that you want, and there will be pop up two options here: add the comment or edit slide. So to edit, you just need to go click edit slide, and you are now have a project, have a screen to work with on the specific slide that you want. And here you just now click or do a double tap on the boxes that containing the text to activating the cursor. And now you just need to type the experience that you got, and so on and so on. And whenever you're done, you just need to go click this checklist button in the top left corner, and you're done. So that is the way how to edit slide on a Google Slide project by iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.